Dear friends, welcome to my channel again. This is Raj Techs. Please find today I am going to give you a good single diagrammatic 3-pin socket wiring. This is 3-pin plug socket. There are 3 points there: phase, earth and neutral, and a switch. First, push inside a 3-line cable: a green, a red and a black cable. These wires should be pushed inside the box. These are the 3 wires. We have to connect these 3 wires to the respective points. First, connected to the switch in, then black connected to the neutral pin, then green connected to the center earth pin. Now we have to connect together the switch and the plug. The red wire to the face of the plug and to the switch side. This is the wiring. The basic wiring technique. Now the wiring is finished. The next class is how to connect with the 2 plug points. Now we have to test the switch and the power is in or not. Now check. The voltage is 0. Switch on. Now 231 volt AC single phase voltage. Line is tested. Okay. Now you have to connect the load. Here I am going to connect a 40 watts incandescent lamp for testing the switch and the 3-pin plug point. Load is on. Now switch off. Okay, that socket is tested. This is the single line diagram. Line, neutral, earth. See next level also.